Yo, hello guys, it's Switch here with another app on the channel, and this is a miner. It's called the Bayc miner, or at least I feel like that's the proper spelling. So, as you can see on the main screen right now, I have 6 hours and 10 minutes to be able to mine again. So it's not really a lot of the energy to mine. It's like just 100 points every 8 hours, I believe. So we can just join that screen and just basically tap energy like so. You're just pressing the screen and you're just tapping that energy. I'm just gonna walk you through what we can actually do here on this miner. So as you can see on the bottom of the screen, they actually are with the collaboration with the Binance, BitGet, Ton, Bingo, and OKX. So basically it's like a big massive app which allowing us to stake in the bananas basically. So we are mining the bananas, like we can mine 100 bananas per 8 hours, and the more bananas you have, the better pools you'll be able to join. As you can see, my current reward is like 2 Bayc, and we are going to jump into the window number 2. So it's going to be tasks, unless I can actually, excuse me, I can actually press something here like banana. Can I press this? Not really. Like ranking, I can go over there, but obviously you can just take a look what people actually farmed so far, like 30,000 of those coins. Good for you. Good for you. We can extend the power, we can stack the power. Obviously everything is gonna cost you buckloads of money, as you can see. 77 tons or 40 ton. So then you will have 480 more power to mine. Obviously at the end of the day it's costing that much because you actually will make more profit from it. We can extend the power for as well. That's actually not that much, like 2 ton. Then we have 2.6 ton, and then we have 4 ton. So that's for 30 days. Every of those is for 30 days. So this is actually something which normal people can actually apply and do. And I didn't really look into that, to be honest with you guys. Right now I'm checking this. I think maybe I just came across once and I just didn't really bother to read. But either way, that kind of amount, it's like, well, I can go with this, like, despite the fact I don't have any Telegram exchange and a Ton exchange, because I'm living in UK, and the idea of this channel is to be able to make profit without spending any money, unless we need to actually acquire some small amount of stars in order to be able to turn on the app itself. Like what I mean by that is sometimes, or majority of times, the application asking us to connect the wallet and then do the Ton transaction. So obviously I don't have any like assets outside the Ton ecosystem. So the thing is, like, I just genuinely need to win or either farm something to be able to upgrade apps or unlock the apps. But this is not really a problem though, because there's like usually every app in that ecosystem is trying to give you something, like, as long as you're going to run those apps on daily basis. So there's no fucking way you are not going to either win something or you're not going to get the rewards and airdrop. So not really worried about this. Obviously I don't know when I'm going to have those assets, but eventually you will have enough Ton to run in every app you're going to run basically. So we have the tasks, so we can go with the task. We can do the sign in. I always forgetting the sign in. Like, this is like, I'm running this app for a couple of days now. I think like 10 days. I believe forgetting about signing in, and it's going back to the second day or the first day, because I'm supposed to be like right now on the 7th day. But or either way, not really like a big deal. So we have the partner tasks, so I might do this later on, why not, to get extra bananas. And then those bananas, we are going to the tab number 3. I'm just pressing those tabs on the bottom on the screen over there. And this is the earn tab, and from the previous round of staking pool New Year edition, I didn't read that through, but I think it's just ended or something like that. So total staking of mine bananas is almost 5,000, as you can see, 4,831. My total rewards are here. Then I can press max here, and that's nothing happening. Can I press max here, and I have 202 bananas? Can I stake them? No. So I think I need to unstake everything and then stake again, unless I can go here. Not really. It's opening 12 hours, almost 13 hours to opening the new pool. Well, I believe so I can do it. I can unstake and stake back. I'm just gonna climb the reward first here, and then we have some rewards here. So in the first pool, you are not able to put more than just 1,000 bananas. But the thing is, like, if you be able to get excuse me, that super tap, we need the 5,000 bananas. So if we are able to get 5,000 bananas, I think we can stake those bananas over there. But my total staking is, well, it's going to be 5,000, right? I'm just gonna unstake everything. We're just gonna see, because I think we can just unstake this just like instantly. So we're just going to unstake everything, and right now I'm supposed to have like 5,000 bananas altogether. Then I'm just going to go to the super tab and just press max. That's strange. What's going on here? Why I just have 2,000? I'm confused now. I have 1,001. Cool. Public. My staking 0. My staking 0. Okay. I don't know. I just thought I have more. Okay. So. Stakeable amount. We can stake 1,000 here, and that's it. Then we can stake here. Everything what we have. But what about that super pool? Excuse me. I'm just trying to figure it out. Like, there's an extra benefit. Supposed to be some extra benefit, but it's nothing really tell me. Maximum mining ratio 100, and over there is 100 as well. So if somebody actually know what's the difference, but this is like super pool. So super pool, I think it just, you can farm more rewards. My total rewards, time period, and VIP pool not available yet. So I don't really know. But I'm not even able to stake here. So okay, so I just go to the public one. I'm just gonna do max over there. And well, I'm just going to end up doing the same, because I just want to run both pools. So max here. Okay. And I'm just gonna do max here as well. I just want to basically run the both pools. And then it's going to be another one opening soon. Although there's no really difference between, it's just time period. Just time period, and that's it. 11, 28, 24 to the 5. So it's going to be until May 28, that first one. This one, this one is going to be to September, November to November. So that's only what it's telling us is just the period of the pool. Okay. Sorry, I was trying to figure it out. What's going on? So pretty much that's everything what we can do within this app. So my total rewards currently is like 6.5, and didn't connect my wallet here. I thought I did. Either way, there's not really anything significant yet to be able to swap, exchange, withdraw, you name it. So why actually happy about this? Because we actually can connect the wallet from this app. It's going to be Bayc wallet, and we are able to swap that currency into TON, I believe so. So it's going to be handy at some point to have some assets within the same ecosystem. Like I said, this is the idea. Like we're not going to make like, I don't know, tons of money from running one app, but at the end of the day, if we end up running like 50 apps on daily basis, we are definitely going to have some profit from it. So that's why it's so many people actually running those apps. It's not just they running because they don't see the vision. They investing lots of money into that as well, because they know those money actually will just basically come back to you. Okay, so that's it for now. Actually, much longer than I expected, but I was trying to figure it out what the fuck is going on within this app. But basically, it's like kind of self-explanatory. You just need to see it, read for a few minutes, and you will figure it out everything here. So yeah, thank you very much, guys, one more time for watching. See you guys in the next video. Obviously, if you want to support me, use my referral links to this app or any other apps, because everything what you see in the description below, I'm using on daily basis. So you will help me out massively. You will help me out massively by just using any of those apps. So thank you one more time. See you guys in the next video.